My name's Sophie and I'm a family and childcare solicitor in the office in Leeds. I've always really enjoyed family law. Throughout my training, I always really enjoyed the seats that I did in family law. I think I was drawn to childcare particularly because of the complex issues that you get to work with people through really difficult points in their lives and help them to navigate those issues. I've worked all over Yorkshire, and I think one of the things that I've noticed in starting in Leeds, we've had the opportunity to link up with lots of local organisations, and one of the things that has been highlighted to us is the issues around housing in Leeds, and that there is a real gap for people that are wanting access to social housing, and that's something that a lot of our clients seem to come up against. What I found is a lot of the charities in Leeds seem to be bridging the gap between the local authority and the housing provision. It's definitely an issue that affects lots of our clients, but also there's lots of local organisations that we've been able to link up with that are doing amazing work in those areas. So I think that's definitely something that impacts Leeds particularly, but also excellent to see that there are so many organisations that sort of bridge those gaps. I think in terms of supporting clients, the most important thing is to make sure clients feel listened to and making sure that they feel heard. And so I always try to spend lots of time with clients face-to-face or online through Teams, where they feel they can ask any questions they have about the process, that we can answer any of their questions, that no question is too small, that they understand what they're going through and they understand what the next step's going to be, and just keeping that line of communication open, because care proceedings particularly can be some of the most stressful times of people's lives, and the stakes for clients are massive, and so they need to feel that they can ask any question and that they don't feel sort of judged by any questions that they have, and I think clients really appreciate that. I really enjoy being able to support families to navigate complex legal issues that arise within family law proceedings. It's important to be able to reach an agreement and find a solution that works for that particular family, and sometimes that means thinking outside the box or working closely with clients to find out what works for them. So it's very dynamic and no case is the same, every day is different, and we can really sort of get to the bottom of what's most important for that client in those circumstances.